Hello everyone, in this tutorial you are going to learn about using Langchain. Let's start it. At first let's create a conda environment. Okay, so conda create, by running this command conda create minus p venv hyphen y. So this will create a conda environment to install all your dependencies there. So the venv has been loaded in your directory. Now let's install this two packages. Let's at first activate the environment that you just created. See, you have activated your environment. Now let's install this packages. This command will read all the content of the requirements.txt file and it will install in your virtual environment. Let's press enter. Now all the packages that are required for this has been installed. Let's start with main.py. To get started with Langchain, let's import chat OpenAI from Langchain OpenAI. Okay, so now let's initialize this method chat OpenAI. Now you have created LLM object. With this you can invoke the LLM. Okay, before invoking, be sure that you have your GPT key. Be sure that you have your OpenAI API key at your hand, because we are going to store the OpenAI API key into a variable in the environment by running this command. Okay, so this quotation, double quotation, store your GPT OpenAI key API key here, and with this OpenAI API key, okay, in this variable, and press enter. Okay, now the OpenAI API key has been stored. Now you can evoke the LLM object. Let's invoke the LLM object by writing this, by printing this. Okay, invoke. How can you subscribe our channel? Now that you have written, you can just run this Python main.py. See, the output is visible here. You can subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. As you can see in the content portion, the output is there, and there are other things as well. Now we will add some few things to the chain. What do I mean by the chain? You will see by taking this example. Let's import another module from the Langchain. You have to install from the core. For that you have to install the Langchain core, which I haven't done yet. Let's install it. Let's install it again. Okay, you have installed it. Now you can use this library, prompts, import chat prompt template. We are importing this chat prompt template so that you can decide upon the prompt that the user wants, and then the LLM will invoke in a kind of chain we will be seeing now. So chat prompt template. Okay, you have imported it. Now you can just create a prompt object by calling the method from this module. What is the name of the method? Let's see. Dot from messages. The method is from messages, and inside it, we will pass a JSON-like thing. As you can see, I have written some system prompts. The system will execute, and then the system will have, and then the input will be passed as the user. Okay, so some pre-default prompts has been put inside this. Inside this as a template, as a prompt template. Now let's execute. Before execute, let's create the chain at first using the pipe operator. That is the specialty of Langchain. This is the pipe, and then you can write the LLM. So first the prompt will be set up by this module, by this method, and then after that the prompt has been set up, and then the LLM will invoke. Okay, based on the prompt that has been set up. Okay. Now let's invoke it. Chain.invoke. Here you are calling chain.invoke. You have to pass some input. You can write this, and then you can invoke it. To see the response, let's put it inside the print statement. Let's run it. Python main.py. Okay, so at first, as you can see, the steps has been written. This is the output from this print. You can just comment it out if you don't want to see it, and then this is the output of the new print. And just run it again. As you can see, the content is here. So viewers, I have specifically mentioned audience, so it has been prompted. to your specific prompt as the system will know. Okay, so based on the prompt it has been modified, and then it has been modified along with this input prompt. And then you can add more chains. Let's beautify this let's beautify this by making it visible, by making it readable to the reader by using the str output parser method, which is in the output parsers module of Langchain core library. Okay, from Langchain, let's call this str out. Good. You have imported it, and now you can use this method directly. Let's create an object. Creating this object by this constructor, and then you can put output parser in the chain as well. And after that, put output parser here. Now let's print the invoke message. Chain.invoke. Let's run this. Okay, see. This is the last. You can just comment it out. So see only the last print statement. Let's run it again. Okay, see. This is as it has been displayed, it has been modified by this output parser, which makes it readable to the viewer, the output message. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you will subscribe and like our channel, and let's meet at another video. Bye for now.